Let's kick things off with the incredible ROM-T8, a mobile home that's truly like no other. Released in early 2023, this futuristic home on wheels boasts a unique feature that sets it apart: the ability to rotate 90 degrees. Picture a USB drive that swivels, and you'll have a sense of how the ROM-T8 works. Why the rotation? By turning part of the home away from the container, it creates more space for living without having to step on the ground. One common gripe with mobile homes is that, if you want to relax outside, you're stuck dealing with bugs or dirt, but not with the ROM-T8. Its elevated platform means you can enjoy fresh air without ever leaving the comfort of your home. This mobile home isn't just about innovation, though it's packed with cool features. You can order it with wall-mounted TVs, an outdoor projector, a pumping audio system, and even your choice of a single or double bed. Stylish and functional, the ROM-T8 is perfect for those looking to elevate their mobile lifestyle. Next up, we have the RC12M, a motorhome that looks straight out of a superhero movie. Designed by British experts at RC Motorhomes, this luxurious vehicle is a product of over 12 years of experience in high-end motorhome engineering. Built on a Volvo FH truck chassis, it's powered by a 540 horsepower engine and stretches about 40 feet in length, making it both powerful and spacious. To make handling such a large vehicle easier, the RC12M comes with rear-wheel steering. Inside, you'll find all the comforts of home, including cozy rooms, a lounge, a bathroom, and a kitchen. There's even a small garage. Outside, you can unwind under a 23-foot sunshade that extends out 13 feet. And for added convenience, the RC12M can be controlled remotely via an app, making it as tech-savvy as it is luxurious. It's essentially a super yacht on wheels. Robert Henson's luxury RV concept. And now let's dive into a truly sweet topic. If you're a fan of RVs and mobile homes, you need to know the name Robert Henson. He's a talented vehicle designer working on a concept RV that's more like a luxury penthouse on wheels. While this concept is still in the design phase, the computer renderings are jaw-dropping. Imagine a high-end Malibu penthouse rolling down the highway. That's what Henson is aiming for. Though the color scheme might be a bit bold for some, the overall design looks like a dream home. It offers all the amenities you'd expect from a luxury home, but in a fully mobile package. What do you think? Could you see yourself living in one of these? Let me know in the comments. The Renegade IKON lives up to its name as one of the most luxurious motorhomes on the market. As the flagship model of Renegade RV, it boasts impressive features, starting with a 600 horsepower engine. Buyers can select from 3 unique floor plans, all of which come equipped with a kitchen, shower, bedroom, and lounge area. The exterior is available in 9 stylish designs, ensuring you'll find something to match your taste. Inside, the IKON offers top-notch amenities like a shower stall, home theater with Blu-ray and 4K support, a subwoofer, and smart TV. You'll also find a satellite system, 360-degree camera system, and heating options. One standout feature is the large touchscreen that lets you control various home systems through a custom app, giving it a modern and tech-savvy edge. With so many customizable options, fans of fine-tuning will appreciate the detailed controls, reminiscent of an aircraft cockpit or spaceship simulator. ECOCAPSULE. The ECOCAPSULE is a compact, self-sustaining home designed for off-grid living, collecting rainwater and dew for processing into drinking water. This means you won't need to hunt for a natural water source when you're out in nature. Its design minimizes energy loss, with hollow walls filled with top-notch thermal insulation to protect against harsh environments, almost achieving the efficiency of a passive house. What if the weather doesn't cooperate with sun or wind for energy? No worries, the EcoCapsule has a backup battery that can hold a charge for up to 4 days, giving you plenty of time to relocate if needed. Though the living space is just 6 square meters, it's cleverly designed to meet all your needs while remaining portable. This tiny home is perfect for people constantly on the move, offering both comfort and sustainability in any environment. The ADRIA ASTELLA trailer offers a unique solution for those looking to replace traditional hotel stays, especially during events or races. Designed by the German company SLRV, which specializes in organizing events, this trailer was created with a focus on convenience and mobility. Race drivers, such as Thomas, much have praised this concept, noting how it enhances team performance by providing a comfortable space close to the action. The ASTELLA trailer comfortably accommodates up to 4 people and includes 2 sleeping areas, a living room with a kitchenette, and a bathroom. Modern features like 2 smart TVs, a Bose sound system, air conditioning, and quality furniture make it feel like home. Best of all, the trailer's options can be managed through a mobile app, adding an extra layer of ease and comfort. It's a great alternative for those who prefer to bring their own accommodations to events. Not everyone is cut out for city living, and some dream of hitting the open road in a home of their own. That's where Mike and Nikki Chum found themselves. Tired of the noisy city life, they sought the freedom that a mobile home could offer. After visiting tiny house shows, they realized that none of the designs fit their modern aesthetic or functional needs. So, Mike, leveraging his background in construction, took matters into his own hands and built a tiny home that eventually led to the creation of Movable Roots Tiny Homes. What makes Movable Roots unique is its focus on customization. They offer a range of base models, but pride themselves on tailoring each home to the customer's specific needs. Whether it's a sleek modern design or a more traditional look, the Chums ensure that each tiny home reflects the owner's lifestyle. Their success is no fluke. Plenty of empty nesters and millennials have embraced this style of living, enjoying the flexibility and freedom that tiny homes offer. If you're someone looking for a home that travels with you, Movable Roots might just be the perfect solution. SDX Motorhomes, a Belgian company, took the Mercedes-Benz Actros truck and transformed it into a luxury motorhome with its own garage, capturing the adventurous spirit of exploration. This house on wheels stretches 39 feet long and is powered by a 510 horsepower engine, giving you both power and comfort. Inside, the motorhome features a fully equipped kitchen with a hood, microwave, and fridge, along with a bedroom that has a double bed, AC, and TV. The living room is outfitted with leather furniture and a 40-inch TV, while the bathroom offers a shower with multiple jet options. What sets this motorhome apart are its practical features: diesel heating, 3 water tanks, a 360-degree camera system, solar panels, and an electric entry staircase. The design blends luxury with cutting-edge technology, making the SDX2 a top choice for those who want the best of both worlds on the road. For those looking for a mobile home that redefines luxury, the JB Golden Sky is the ultimate choice. This isn't your typical mobile home. It's a high-end residence on wheels, designed with 2 spacious terraces and a total of 57.2 square meters of living space. The layout includes 2 bedrooms, a large living room, an open kitchen, a full bathroom, and 2 private decks, offering all the comforts of a luxury home while you're on the go. The elevated design means you won't have to step foot on the ground unless you choose to, giving you a more refined and elevated experience, literally. The materials used are top of the line, ensuring a luxurious vibe throughout. While the price isn't advertised up front, it's clear that the JB Golden Sky is meant for those who want the very best in mobile living. Whether you're traveling with family or friends, this home offers plenty of space and style for everyone. What sets this motorhome apart are its practical features: diesel heating, 3 water tanks, a 360-degree camera system, solar panels, and an electric entry staircase. The design blends luxury with cutting-edge technology, making the SDX2 a top choice for those who want the best of both worlds on the road. The LUXE LF 42MD from RV Factory is a high-end trailer, designed for those who want luxury and practicality in one package. Priced at around $234,000, this 43-foot-long trailer features a classic layout with a bedroom, bathroom, utility room with storage, and a spacious kitchen. The dining and seating areas make it perfect for both travel and recreation. Inside, you'll find everything you need, from a place for a washing machine to comfortable furniture like sofas, beds, and chairs. With practical carpet flooring and neutral interior colors, the LUXE LF 42MD maximizes space while keeping the design elegant. Optional upgrades are available upon request, making this trailer customizable to fit your needs. The only challenge might be finding the right truck to tow this impressive trailer. Next, we have the SAIC MAXUS Life Home from China, a mobile home that offers more space than meets the eye. At first glance, it looks like a standard motorhome, but once it unfolds, it expands both upwards and outwards, revealing more living space than you'd expect. There's even a built-in elevator to take you to the second floor, something you don't typically find in a mobile home. The interior is as impressive as the exterior, with plenty of modern amenities to make your travels comfortable. However, this level of luxury doesn't come cheap. You'll need over $400,000 to own one. But for those who can afford it, the SAIC MAXUS Life Home is a true marvel of modern engineering. STX Motorhomes didn't just stop at regular campers. They ventured into the world of professional horse riders with the STX 777. Built on a Volvo FH 540 tractor unit, this motorhome can transport up to 7 horses while also serving as a comfortable home on wheels. The motorhome is fitted with stables, a special ramp with railings, and adjustable LED lighting to ensure the horse's comfort. For the humans on board, there's a full kitchen, bathroom, and sleeping area that can accommodate up to 6 people. The STX 777 also offers multiple color schemes, ensuring that both horse and rider travel in style. With its combination of practical horse transport and luxury living, this model is perfect for equestrians who are always on the move. The VARIO Signature 1200 is for those who spare no expense when it comes to traveling in style. Priced at over $1 million, this motorhome offers the ultimate in luxury. Not only does it provide space for your entire family, but it also has room for a car in the back, allowing you to easily explore once you reach your destination. The interior is lavishly appointed, with every amenity you could want, making it feel more like a luxury home than a vehicle. Whether you're traveling across the country or across the globe, the VARIO Signature 1200 ensures that you'll be doing so in the utmost comfort and style. The CONCORDE Liner 1090 GIO is another luxurious motorhome, featuring a built-in garage that can accommodate cars up to 3,087 pounds, like a Porsche 911 or Mercedes-Benz SL280 Pagoda. Inside, you'll find a unique seating area with semicircular sofas that can be used for both lounging and dining. Simply turn the driver and co-driver seats around to switch from driving to relaxing mode. The kitchen comes fully equipped with a sink, hybrid cooktop, fridge, and microwave, while the bathroom offers a compact but comfortable shower. The bedroom features a panoramic window, making it a cozy place to relax after a day of travel. The Liner 1090 GIO combines practicality with high-end design, making it a great choice for travelers who value both function and luxury. On the other end of the spectrum, we have the SLRV IO Daily 4x4 348A, an off-road mobile home designed for rugged adventures. This compact vehicle allows you to drive and live in your home at the same time. While it may not have the expansive space of luxury motorhomes, it's fully equipped with a bedroom, dining area, shower, toilet, and kitchen. This off-road home is also battery-powered, so you can keep track of your energy levels and explore remote areas without worrying about power. For those looking to go off the grid while still having all the essentials, the SLRV IO Daily 4x4 348A is the perfect fit. The DRV FULLHOUSE JX390 is a motorhome trailer built for comfort and durability. Its custom-made frame and R16 insulation ensure that the trailer can handle any weather condition, while the advanced suspension system provides a smooth ride. This 40.5-foot-long trailer comes fully loaded with a garage, heating and air conditioning, 4 TVs, a washing machine, and essential furniture. With enough space for 6 people to sleep comfortably, the Full House JX390 also includes a well-equipped kitchen with a 3-burner stove and full-size fridge. Whether you're traveling across the country or enjoying a weekend getaway, this motorhome trailer has everything you need. To close things out, we have the CMC ATHENA, a mobile home that takes luxury to a whole new level. Built on the concept of a yacht on wheels, the ATHENA is a 2-story motorhome that can serve as both a home and a business space. It features a real fireplace, a chef's kitchen, and a lounge area that can seat 6 people before transforming into a conference room. With high-end materials like fine leather and stone used throughout, the ATHENA oozes luxury and sophistication. While it's certainly not affordable for everyone, those who can splurge will find it to be the ultimate in mobile living.